Today is such a beautiful day, so I got my drone out. So let's get ready to fly. Hi guys, I'm Neil. So today I have fun action cameras, my two favorite cameras from Insta360. So Insta360 this week will have some nice sale. So if you guys have been looking for getting some cameras from Insta360, like a nice good 360-degree camera, then to check out in the link down below. However, this one, Insta360 GO 2, it is brand new camera, so they don't have sale on this, but you could also check it out on their website as well. So to help you guys make the right purchase choice, I thought about actually comparing these two cameras because they're my favorite cameras. So this is Insta360 GO 2 and this is Insta360 ONE X2, which is my favorite 360-degree camera. Okay, these two cameras, they are rather different, but you know, why not compare them so that you guys can get better understanding of where to use which camera. So today I want to first start with Insta360 GO 2, what I particularly like about it, as well as tell you guys what I don't like about it as well. So obviously this camera is super duper tiny. When you take it out, it is only 27-gram camera. Super tiny, right? So because of its lightweight and compact size, it is extremely adaptable. So inside this box, they come with all the goodies that you need. So for example, this one, it clicks, it snaps to the magnet here. You can stick this on your car or just the whole thing if you're going for snorkeling. And you also do have this kind of necklace where you can have it on your chest or you can hang it on a tree like how I've done. No tree hurt because this is such a tiny, small camera. And another way I really like using it is attaching it to this clip. Or I can place the cap somewhere else, so it gives a little bit of weight as well. But also one of my favorite way of using it is just using it by itself. Why? Because at the back, they do have strong enough magnetic strip inside the camera, so you can stick it pretty much anywhere as long as they're metal. Because it just gets stuck on the magnet, you don't need a tripod as long as there's something metal, and as long as you sort of stay in the civilization, I guess, then you do get the metal part. And I think because right now it's so quiet, then I can probably, you know, I think the camera can actually pick up my voice pretty well. And what Insta360 have done particularly well is to put it in a nice case. Not just any charging case, because you can charge it with USB Type-C, and also you can attach an extra tripod here, but you do have a nice control center here, and it is remote control as well. So while you can control different settings here, including like the frame rate and so on, you can actually take out the camera and you can hold it by this removable case, which is also very handy for safety of the camera. But once you have the camera outside of the charge case, all you need to do is press once to connect, and it will actually tell you how to do it. And then you are ready to go. I've tested it out. It's good for about 3 to 5 meters, so it's not a huge distance. However, it's super handy when you're trying to take a selfie, or even if you want to take group photo with everybody inside a frame. And of course, you can start the video as well while it's attached to somewhere else on your hand or something, and then you're good to go with your remote control. And for some of you guys, you might not actually prefer the double-sided lens because you might be actually taking videos in crowded area and so on. And you know, sometimes in different societies, it can be pretty sensitive, you know. Some people obviously do not want to be taken videos of by random stranger. So in that sense, having just one lens, like a normal typical camera, you are good to go. You're not annoying anyone. And because it is a one-sided 1440p resolution, that's the maximum video resolution, it is pretty light on the memory space. And it comes with the memory space inside. It's just totally internal, so you don't have to worry about SD card. Everything is sorted in here, and you do get about 30 gigabyte of free space to take all the videos, photos and stuff, and it's absolutely enough. For me, you know, when I'm trying to show you guys all these clips from my day out, I don't even use a third of the memory space. And it's also easy on the mobile phone where you transfer a lot of videos, whereas this one can be a little bit heavy on your mobile phone. You do want to have sort of big enough space on your mobile phone. And because the file size is small, obviously download speed onto your mobile phone via Wi-Fi, it is much faster in this case. So while it is cheesy, they do have slogan, and I totally do agree with it. The tiny, mighty action camera. So you guys might think, oh, she only likes Go 2. No, that's not the case, because I absolutely love this 360-degree camera. Well, obviously, it is a 360-degree camera, so you can actually take videos of your entire surrounding. You know, you want to actually capture the entire scenery around you, then of course 360-degree camera, it will not miss a shot. But what I love about 360-degree camera is that you can have the full freedom to choose whatever frame you want. So one thing I noticed about Go 2, because you know, for example, if I stick it to like the magnetic surface, then you're actually just stuck at that particular angle, and it might not even be the best angle, best, you know, frame shot. You may actually want the camera to, you know, look down or anything. And this one, because it's 360-degree camera, it can do that. But of course, with double lens, you may not want to use double lens at both sides each time. And you do have the option to just switch off the other and then only use one camera. And it's done by just touch of one button here, from 360 to just 140-degree, you know, first-person view. Which can be changed to linear angle and so on as you wish inside the app. And if you want to maximize using ONE X2, which is very simple, all you need is, I think, just two accessories. One is the selfie stick. This is the invisible selfie stick from Insta360. So you can just extend it and you get fun videos like these. Or you get this tiny little accessory, which is like the bulletproof string. And then you go around and then it will extend and then take amazing bullet shots. Okay, so these two accessories, yes, they are bigger than what you need with Insta360 GO 2. So it depends, you know, how much of a lighter weight you want to be. And with ONE X2, you do get removable battery. So you can always buy extra battery if you want to go for longer shot. Whereas Insta360 GO 2, everything is built in. So once you only use this camera without the charge case, then you do get only 30 minutes of juice in this tiny little camera. But of course, you can always recharge it back to the charge case, which allows you to film up to 2.5 hours. Both of these cameras, they do use the same app, Insta360 app, and both of these cameras are waterproof. So if you want to go snorkeling, not the charge case, but the camera it is. So if you want to go snorkeling, if you want to swim with a fish, then you can do so. ONE X2, you can go up to 10 meters, and GO 2, you can go up to 4 meters. I think they're both good for snorkeling, unless you're like free diver kind of person. So with Insta GO 2, if you try to start filming using the charge case, it may be a little bit slow. So when I have something really fast that I want to capture, I would probably go and use my mobile phone, because to turn on the camera app, it takes less than half a second. But if you want to use your Insta Go to really fast, then all you need to do is just press once, and it will start taking video right away. But you can change that feature if you want. And if you double click, then I think mine is, so you can pre-program whatever you want as a shortcut. So as conclusion, what is your pick? What's your favorite? Do you have both of them, or do you want to buy either one? Do let me know what's your favorite pick. I'd love to hear from you guys. And if you ask me, while I do really enjoy using both of them, I think I have a slight more preference on 360-degree camera, just because, you know, I usually, when I take YouTube videos, then I would do it just by myself because it's just easier that way. In that case, with 360-degree camera, I can actually get my entire shot of the body, which I think would make me look slightly slimmer than just my face. But that's just me. And Insta Go 2, I think it's a really great camera, especially if you don't want to think about what you're filming. You just attach it somewhere on your clothes, on your cap or something, and then you just start shooting. And I really must say, both of the cameras under beautiful sunlight, the color looks amazing. So that's from me. I hope you guys enjoyed some beautiful spring footages from here, including drone shot as well. But I do have something to say about my drone, my Mavic Air 2. So I'll definitely come back with another video with some extra special drone footage. So please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and see you.